Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm bringing you this very fresh faced autumn look, and honestly I absolutely love the way it came out. I kept it very subtle on the lips today, but I just went a little bit like soft glam on the eyes and I absolutely love it. I also done my eyebrows a lot softer today. I barely filled them in, and yeah, I just absolutely love the way it turned out. I also used the new Belle Jorden Obsession palette. This is her collaboration. I also used it in last week's first impression makeup tutorial, and I know I've only just used it, but I thought I would do a more detailed look with this eyeshadow palette and just show you a few other looks that you can do by using this palette. I just absolutely love this palette. I did get it from Boots online for £10 and I just think it's absolutely fantastic. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this fresh face autumn look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this tutorial a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so to prime my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Jouer concealer in the shade Wheat. This is like really full coverage, so it's perfect for the lid to get rid of all the redness and things like that. So I'm going to be blending it out and then going off camera, just using a different shade to set it in place, just because the Belle Jorden palette hasn't got a shade in there that I like to set my lids with. Then dipping into the palette, I'm going to go in with the shade 1706, and it's like a really light mauve colour, and this is just going to be our transition shade today, and I absolutely love this shade. Then going in with the shade Pops. It has got a bit of shimmer on it, but literally when I put it on my eye and blended it out, there was no shimmer in it whatsoever. So it blended out really nicely, and then this is just going below our transition shade and also on the outer corner, just for a little bit more definition. Then dipping ever so slightly into the shade Hot Sauce. I'm only applying a little bit of this because it is very pigmented and it does come out a lot more pinker than it does in the palette. So I'm just adding this for a little bit more definition and a pop of colour. Then I thought I'd dip into this shade. It's very a nice gold metallic colour. It is like a little bit harder to work with than other glitter ones and metallic shades that I've used before, but it is such a pretty shade. So this is literally going all over the lid. Then I'm going to go in with the shade AF, and this is really pretty. I expected it to be a lot more chunkier than this, but it's like more of a loose pressed pigment, if you want to put. I don't really know describe, but it's really pretty on the eyes. And I'm just going to wing out my eyes using the Maybelline liquid eyeliner. Then I'm going to be applying some false lashes from Revlon, which is in the style Beyond Natural, and these are really pretty. This is another product that I used in my first impressions. If you haven't seen it, I'll just leave a link in the top corner for you and in the description bar below. Then I'm just going to define my lower lash line using the Pops colour and also the Hot Sauce colour. Then I'm going to go in with the Jouer highlighter to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner in the shade Citrin. I'm picking up the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I haven't used this in any of my tutorials that much, but it's such a fantastic mascara. It's really good, and it just makes your lashes look really nice and long and clump free. Then going in with the Freedom Highlight and Contour Palette, I'm just going to bronze up and contour my face. Then to bronze up a little bit more, as shades wasn't really doing much for me, I went in with the Tarte bronzer in the shade Hotel Heiress. Then dipping into my number 7 blusher in the shade Peach Velvet. It's such a subtle peach colour and I think it just went really pretty with the eyes. So I'm just going to put these on the apple of my cheeks. Then I just like to bounce my damp beauty blender over my makeup just to help it melt all nicely together, and then I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones using the Collection Sheer Loose powder, and then highlighting my cheekbones, my cupid bow and my nose with the same Jouer highlighter in the shade Citrin. Then setting the brows in place using the Maybelline Brow Drama in the shade Medium Brown. And I'm just using the brush from the Benefit Cosmetics from their Gimme Brow, just because, as I say this all the time, I prefer their brush over the Maybelline brush. Then setting my face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Mist. Then for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Riri by Mac in the shade B13 Sunny Ciel and literally tap this on my lips. So it isn't too bold, but there is still a bit of colour on my lips. I just think it made it look really pretty and effortless. And then over the top of that, for a little bit of gloss and nudeness, I went in with the Rimmel Apocalypse Lip Lacquer in the shade 600 Nude Eclipse. So guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I definitely enjoyed creating this look using the Belle Jorden palette. Again, as I said, I absolutely love this palette, and just for £10 I think it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, as I said, I am absolutely like digging these soft brows I've done today. Let me know if you either prefer like really bold sharp brows or really soft ones by answering the poll in the left right corner. But yeah, until next time guys, hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial. Make sure you leave some suggestions in the comment section below what you want to see next on my channel. But until next time, I love you all so much, and yeah, bye guys.